In this video, we will show you what needs to be prepared before you deploy the SMAX demo environment on Google Cloud Platform, also known as GCP. Please note that this video only contains the brief steps. More configurations may be needed depending on your own environment. Before you start, make sure you have a valid Docker Hub account in order to download our product images. Let's start with preparing projects and roles. Log in to the GCP console and then open the IAM page. Find the default service account of your compute engine. Click the pencil icon to edit its roles. Add Kubernetes engine admin roles to this account. Then, add service networking admin and editor roles to your own user account. To deploy CDF and the suite on GCP, a virtual private cloud, aka VPC, must be prepared first, and the other resources must be placed on it. Now, let's create the VPC. Click VPC Network, VPC Networks, and then Create VPC Network. Give the new VPC a name. In the subnets section, you can customize subnet settings including name, region, IP range, etc. You may create two subnets for Kubernetes cluster and for the Bastion node. Since SMAX workloads are distributed by load balancer, you need to prepare an FQDN from your DNS provider side and reserve a static IP address for the load balancer from GCP console. Then, bind the FQDN with this static IP address to allow users to access SMAX services with this FQDN. Click VPC Network, External IP Addresses, and reserve static address. Give this IP a name. Under Network Service tier, make sure you select the current project level tier. Select Regional as the type. Select the region of the VPC you created before. A Google Kubernetes engine cluster needs to be prepared for the installation of CDF and the suite. Click Kubernetes Engine, Clusters, and Create Cluster. Name the cluster. Select a master version greater than 1.12. Under Node Pools, click More Options and populate the following fields. You may need to change some of these settings according to your own environments. Under Networking, populate the following fields. You may need to change some of these settings according to your own environments. Under Security, make sure these two options are disabled.